Hey everybody, today we're going to go over imaging a computer using Dell KACE, which we commonly refer to as casing a computer. So someone on the help desk might tell you or email you to case your computer to get it back working smooth, especially after a virus or spyware or something hopped on there. So what you do is you turn your computer off completely or reboot it. When you turn it back on or when it's rebooting, press the F12 key every few seconds. And when you do that, you're going to land on a menu that gives you the option of a few choices, and you're going to pick the one that closest resembles networking. It'll either say onboard NIC card or network card or something like that. If you have issues with that, one of our ITS staff members can help you. But after you pick network, you're going to land on this K2000 Systems Deployment menu. Once you get to this menu, you're going to arrow down all the way to the bottom where it says KBE Windows 10 x64 and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you'll notice that you get tons of periods going across the screen. That's the software development portal loading on your computer. So while this is loading, I'll just give you a really quick overview of how the KACE system works. So you'll connect to the KACE system, and then you'll pick an image, and then that image will download to your computer. So this will make your computer completely like it came straight new out of the box. So as part of this, if you have any items on your desktop, your documents, or anywhere local, you need to make sure that you move those to Google Drive before you do this next step. After you pick the image and tell it to start, then it's going to erase everything that's on your hard drive currently and load all new versions of all your software. Now I'll jump back in as soon as this is done. All right, so it's booting in now. So it looks like it took a total of about 2.5, 3 minutes for the dots to go across the screen before you got to the Windows boot logo. So when it's completely done, you'll land at this KACE Systems Deployment Client menu. And what you're going to do here is pick Scripted Install, and then you're going to pick the image that you would like to. So for the most of the time, you're going to pick this Windows 10 1709 RH04 2418. If you're CTE or another department, you may be instructed to use a different one. After you pick that image, you're going to hit Start Installation. It's going to start installing Windows 10 on your computer. The only task that you have to do after that is give your computer a name. And the way that we name these computers is you're going to name it with your school name, so LCST, and then the service tag, which you'll find located on the top or back of your computer. And it's usually an alphanumeric string of like 8 to 10 characters. And then you just hit OK. It'll go through the process of installing Windows and Firefox and Office and Java and everything that you see on this list, and it'll reboot maybe 2 or 3 times, and then you'll be sitting at a login screen where you'll be able to log in and use your computer. Thanks, and if you have any questions, please call the help desk.